What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I haven't posted any videos lately. That's because I'm in Paris. Yeah, I am in Paris, so I'm sorry that I haven't dropped any videos lately, but I'm in a little vacation, so I'm enjoying it. So if you're new, please subscribe. Today has nothing to do about cars, it's just about me in Paris and vacation. Alright guys, we just left the Louis Vuitton store, but apparently we can't record in any stores here. Every time we walked in, they said no, just turn off your, your camera, which is funny. There's so many people, it's not even fun.
Bonjour.
We're just trying to find something to eat now. Jesus, that place is packed. There's just too many people around. Alright, we're gonna try to find something to eat, then we will go to the Eiffel Tower. Hopefully, we don't know how we're gonna get there. Okay guys, I'm about to introduce my wife for the first time in the video. You wanna say hi? Say hi.
If I look ugly, don't put me on there.
Yeah, she doesn't want to. She doesn't want to be on video. Okay, guys, we just get something to eat. So now we're just gonna walk around, you know, and see the place. This is our first time here. We don't really know anything, so we're just gonna walk around and see what's going on. Guys, we just left a museum, but apparently we can only take pictures. We cannot film anything in there. You can't even have a gimbal in your hand. They tell you to put it away. But so far this is a beautiful place, right? And of course, we have people getting married over there. And yep, they're getting married, guys. It's Paris. That's what you do, I guess.
We're almost there. Almost there. There better be a metro over here that we can take, because I'm not walking all the way back.
so far we're still walking, enjoying the place, and it's getting cold. I love it though. Let me tell you, I do not miss the weather in Florida. I love that weather here. It's just perfect. Okay guys, I think this is gonna end the vlog today. It's just a little vlog of me around Paris, so please subscribe and I will see you later. Deuce.
Thank you.